Hey up everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to the Algarve. Today I'm in Albufeira, but it's known for its lively nightlife on the strip or the charm of the old town. Today I'm going to show you a hidden gem in Albufeira that I bet you didn't know were here. Today we're going around Albufeira Marina. So Albufeira has got an harbour and a marina. Now I didn't know this, I only knew about the harbour. I'm just walking to the harbour now and then we'll show you the marina after. This is an absolute hidden gem. If you didn't know about it, please drop it in the comments below and tell me, did you know if Albufeira had a marina? If you want to come and look at it with me, come on, let's go. And as you can see, I'm just walking towards the harbour now. And these beautiful cliffs. Lovely setting, absolutely stunning setting. Now this is a working harbour, so you can't actually go in it. This is where all the fishermen and that go from. But I just want to have a quick look before we hit the marina. Go on, Seagull, have your dinner. Good lad. So this is the harbour here in Albufeira. Like I say, it's a working harbour. It's where all the fishermen go from. But it's in an absolutely stunning setting, so calm and tranquil, away from all the touristy bits of Albufeira Old Town and the strip. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Right, main reason for being here, let's go and look at this marina. So we're walking to the marina now. As you can see, as the sea's there, we've got a little inlet from the sea to the marina. And what I will say is, if you haven't seen this marina before, wow, you're in for a treat. So while we walk to this marina, if you want to support the channel, all I ask is you hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, it doesn't cost you a penny. Go and watch some of my videos. There's a large selection of videos on there already. And hit the thumbs up, drop a comment below. So you can see it coming up now. We'll just walk through this car park and then we're there. You can just see it in the distance. So this is the marina. Beautiful, isn't it? There's certainly some money's worth in here. And you can see in front of us all them coloured buildings, and I'm guessing they're all bars and cafes underneath. What a beautiful place. It's like you can get all your boat trips from here, your X-Ride, Dreamwave. But that is a nice sight, isn't it? Look at all them coloured buildings, beautiful. But I bet it's not cheap here. It looks a bit expensive. They always do that, don't they? Put yachts in it, put prices up. Yeah, it's really surprised me, this place, that I found this. This is a proper hidden gem. Well, to me it is anyway. Right, let's go and see how expensive these bars and restaurants are, because I'm thinking a lot. I don't like how they've done all the multicoloured buildings though. That looks cool. Got all the cafes overlooking the water. It's a pretty good idea that, actually, get the people in. €20. Fish food 22. Oh, it is expensive. Posh though. Pint of beer €2.50. That's alright, isn't it? It is happy hour though.
It's a happy hour, my friend. Try some drink.
Every hour's happy hour.
Always happy hour. Look at this.
Dish of the day, €18.50. This is nice here. Loads of bars and restaurants. Beef burger, €16. Yeah, it's not the cheapest place, is it? But you can understand why they charge what they charge, because of where we are. And there's plenty vying for business, so you'd think some would reduce them, but I don't think they are they? Portuguese restaurant, look. Tasca. And you've always got to have an Irish bar. Irish pub jacks. Oh, Jack's ice cream deck. Waffle, €6. Oh. Milkshakes. Oh, €4.50 is alright. $1.50 for a coffee. I'm liking that. €1.50 for a coffee. That's a bargain. Hot Shoulder's got a bowling alley that sells beer, obviously. Bumper car track. And some rides for the kiddies. What a place to sit overlooking all this. Really, really nice. It's beautiful, that. Past the bowling alley. There's just so much to choose from. There's loads down here. Dock pub, cocktails. They all do food. They do an happy hour San Miguel, €2.80. Half a litre. Glass of wine, €3. Strongbow on draft. You don't see that very often, do you? Strongbow cider on draft. Fat Cats on the Marina. Fun pub. Live music and quizzes. Just so many pubs. I've got to say, it's absolutely gorgeous on here. So chilled and relaxed as well. Really nice. They've even got floating decking areas, look, to sunbathe on. How cool are they? I really am impressed with this. I'd be interested to see what it's like at night, because all lit up, I bet it looks beautiful. This one's so pretty. And it's so well landscaped and looked after and beautiful. Yep, they've certainly spent a lot of money on this, haven't they? What an absolute find this is. Right, I think it's time to head back that way and try one of the beverages. Don't you think? Still can't get all that. Stunning. Well, before we try this beer, I can see people, well, I want to say coming down steps, but he nearly fell. Let's go and see what's up there first. Well, there's a fountain in the middle of the roundabout. And I don't know what else. I'm guessing you can rent apartments out up here. Yeah. A few more shops, and I'm guessing these are all rented apartments. Not a bad place to stay though, is it, if you want a bit of quiet? Right, we'll head back down and have that beer. Nice fountain. Well, I've stopped for a beer. $1.99, cheapest yet. And we've even got a frozen glass for $1.99. Bargain. Cheers, everyone. This place gets even better, because for that $1.99 you also get some crisps. Very good. Salty. So for that price, I'd like to have another one. Cheers. €3.98 that cost me. Absolute bargain. 2 pints and some crisps. See, it's not that expensive, is it? Right, we'll walk back down here now. More people in the restaurants as it's now lunchtime. Oh, look, baby elephants. So this place here is about a 20-minute walk from this end of the old town. So it's a shame it's a bit too far for me in this trip to have a look at this at night, because I bet this is lovely at night. Like I said earlier, I still love them coloured buildings. But it is beer o'clock. Like we've just seen, every hour is happy hour here in Albufeira. I didn't notice these, don't we? You can hire all these little scooters and stuff. Look, oh, they've got, do they call them segways? Loads of stuff to hire. And that is the marina here at Albufeira. So that's where I'm going to end the video. I hope you've enjoyed that. It's only a little trip round at Marina, but I wanted to show it you because I didn't even know it were here. And for me, this is a magnificent find. Real hidden gem here in Albufeira. So quiet, so chilled, not that expensive, and I thought it were going to be. So yeah, if you're ever in Albufeira, I would definitely recommend a trip to the marina. Anyway, thank you so much for coming with me. Please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel massively. It costs you absolutely nothing. You can follow me over on Facebook. And until the next one, from here in a sunny, beautiful Albufeira, goodbye.